Alright, let's solve this equation. 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x equals 800. Okay, so we have that 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x is equal to 800. Now, when you have something like this, it is the same as adding variables. So we have 10 to the power x 4 times here. So this will be the same like 4 times 10 to the power x is equal to 800. Okay, now let's divide both sides by 4. So we have 10 to the power x divided by 4 equals 800 divided by 4. On the left hand side, this 4 will cancel this. On the right hand side, 4 will cancel 800. We have 200. So we have that 10 to the power x is equal to 200, which you can write as 10 to the power x is equal to 100 times 2, which is the same as 10 to the power x is equal to 100 is 10 to the power 2, 10 squared. So we write 10 squared times 2. Okay, so how do we go about solving this? What we do is that this is an exponential equation. We take log to the base 10 on both sides. So we have log of 10 to the power x is equal to log of 10 squared plus 2. Okay, let me rewrite that here on this part of the board. So we'll have that log 10 to the power x equals log of 10 squared times 2. Now we have a property of logarithm that when you have log of a times b, this is the same as the log of a plus the log of b. So when we apply that to the right hand side of this equation, we have that log of 10 to the power x is equal to log of 10 squared plus log of 2. Alright, then we also have another property that log a to the power b is the same as b log a, and so we apply that property to this expression and also to this one on the right hand side. So here when we apply that here, we'll have that x log 10 equals 2 log 10 plus log 2. Good. Now we also know that log a base a is equal to 1. So we apply that to this log here. Remember, when we write log without the base here, it implies log base 10. So the base here is 10. So a here will be 10, and this other a, the base, will also be 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So we have that x times 1 equals 2 times log 10 base 10 is 1. So 2 times 1 plus log 2. And so we have that x times 1 is x. So x is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 plus log 2. All right, we can leave the answer like that, or if you will, you can use a calculator to find the value of log 2 base 10, and that value is approximately equal to 0.301. So we have that x is approximately equal to 2 plus 0.301, which is equal to 2.301. Okay, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please kindly do well to give us a thumb up, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that each time we post a video, you will be notified.